Hello children, this is the second video of lesson number 7, pronouns from English language. In this video we'll complete exercise D. Okay, in the previous video we had completed up to exercise C, and in this we'll complete the rest portion of this chapter. Exercise D is replace the highlighted words and phrases with suitable object pronouns. Okay, the highlighted words means the pink words are given, you have to just change them with the suitable object pronouns. Number 1, the vase shattered. Shashank dropped the vase onto the floor. Answer is, see now, the vase is used 2 times. Okay, in the first part of the sentence the vase shattered. In the second part you have again it is given Shashank dropped the vase onto the floor. Yes, again the vase is used. So instead of the second one, the vase, we have to use the suitable object pronouns. Answer is, the vase shattered. Shashank dropped it on the floor. Okay, the vase is a non-living thing, so we will use it. So you have to underline in the question also the vase, and in the answer the vase will be changed into it. Okay, and the rest part will be the same. Number 2, I met Radhika today. I met Radhika after 5 years. Answer, I met Radhika today. I met her after 5 years. Okay, Radhika is a girl, and for girl the subject pronoun we use is she, but we have to replace it with the object pronoun. So object pronoun for she will be her. Number 3, we met Amina and Shreya at the mall today. I met Amina and Shreya at the theatre yesterday. So answer will be, we met Amina and Shreya So the answer is, we met Amina and Shreya at the mall today. I met them at the theatre yesterday. Okay. Number 4, where should I keep these books? Should I put these books on that table? Answer, where should I keep these books? Should I put them on that table? Number 5, Pratik and I are going to the restaurant. Do you want to come with Pratik and I? So Pratik and I are going to the restaurant. Do you want to come with us? So Pratik and I, these are the 2 nouns, and for these 2 nouns we have to use what will be the subject pronoun. Subject pronoun will be we, but we have to replace it with the object pronoun. So object pronoun for we is us. Okay, so us will be the correct answer. Number 6, where are Mithali and Arjun? Have you seen Mithali and Arjun today? So answer, where are Mithali and Arjun? Have you seen them today? Number 7, the letter is on the sofa. You are sitting on the letter. Answer, the letter is on the sofa. You are sitting on it. Okay, the letter is the non-living thing, so object pronoun will be it. Number 8, Kapil is making a lot of noise. Ask Kapil to be quiet. Answer, Kapil is making a lot of noise. Ask him to be quiet. Number exercise E. Choose the correct option. Number 1, dash am the fastest runner in a school. Me or I? I, because me is the subject pronoun and I is me is the object pronoun, I is the subject pronoun. It is dash is given at the beginning, so we will use the subject pronoun. I am the, with the am we use I. Number 2, you must inform us when you reach home. Inform is the verb, after verb we use object pronoun. Okay, so us will be the answer. Number 3, you are a very clever boy. You, okay, him will not come. Him is the object pronoun, and the dash is at the beginning of the sentence, so we will use subject pronoun. Number 4, climbing Mount Everest is difficult as it is very high. Number 5, I am sure that he will meet me today. Number 6. Please tell her to return my book. Number 7. Please ask them if they will meet me now. Number 8. They are waiting at the station. Number 9. She is a very helpful girl. Number 10. I received a beautiful gift. It is a colorful scarf. Okay. So beautiful gift. It is talking about one beautiful gift. So correct answer will be 8. Now children, exercises are finished. Now I'll give you definitions of this chapter. Okay. This definitions you have to write in the copy, and exercise D and E you will do in the book. Now, question number 1. Define pronouns with 2 examples. In the copy you will just write lesson number and lesson name and defines. Okay. Answer is question number 1. Define pronouns with 2 examples. Answer. Words that come in place of nouns are called pronouns. Just in the last video I have explained you what are pronouns. Yes, the words that are used at the place of the nouns, they are called pronouns. Example: he, she, it, they. Question 2. Define subject pronouns with 2 examples. Answer. Pronouns that are the subject of a sentence. Children, about subject pronouns there are 2 points. I have given them separately. Answer is pronouns that are the subject of a sentence are called the subject pronouns, and the second point is they usually come at the beginning of a sentence. Example: I kicked the ball, and you will underline the subject pronoun. Okay, I is the subject pronoun. Number 2, she baked a cake. So answer is the subject pronoun is she. Question number 3. Define object pronouns with 2 examples. Answer. Pronouns that receive the action of the subject are called object pronouns. The second point of this answer is they usually come after the verb in the sentence. Example. First example is Jayant met him. Him is the object pronoun. Number 2, I spoke to them. Them is the object pronoun. Okay, so here we conclude with this chapter. Hope you have understood. Please do this work neatly in your copy.